Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents natural syrup that will instantly calm the cough. Hi friends, stay with me and find out how to heal cough and cold with the help of natural syrup. Cold that rule out of the warm homes and offices is the biggest reason why you are constantly coughing. The powerful combination of natural healing ingredients will help you quickly get rid of the cough. Ingredients: 1 cup honey, 1 cup lemon juice, 1 white radish, 1 clove purple onion, 6 cloves garlic. Preparation: wash the vegetables, peel and chop, then grind it in a blender. Add the honey and freshly squeezed lemon juice so to get a homogeneous mixture. Take gauze and strain the mixture into a glass jar. Keep syrup in the refrigerator. Its freshness will last a week. Adults can take 2 teaspoons a day or even more depending on the condition of cough, and for children recommended 1 teaspoon daily. After the first consumption of syrup, your cough will calm down and will begin to disappear. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.